once again. Welcome to my YouTube channel Ganache. I am Chef Din Mohammed. Today I am going to show you how to make Focaccia bread. It is famous Italian bread. Very easy recipe. I will show you step by step. You can make easy. So let us start. The ingredients: 500 gram flour, 10 gram salt, 15 gram sugar, 10 gram dry yeast, 5 gram dry mixed herb like rosemary, thyme, oregano, basil for amazing taste, 50 gram olive oil, 25 gram Amul Butter, 2 gram biryani crumble and 250 ml water adjust. 3 type of capsicum, onion and some black olive for topping. Here our Focaccia bread is ready, very delicious. Please kindly subscribe my channel, Ganache, share, like and comments on the video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in next video. See, Focaccia very soft, very delicious. Well, nice. Very good.